Dear members of JCI India, welcome to another tutorial on getting started with Members Portal. Hope you all have activated your account. If you haven't, there is a link in the description that details about how to activate your account. Alright, hoping that you all have activated your account. The next page that you would see after logging in is this. It's a quick profile update. It is a one-time process. So once you have completed it, you will no longer see it. The mobile number which you entered while activating your account will be shown here. Select if this is the same number which you use for WhatsApp, or if you have a different number, choose no and enter the WhatsApp number. I'll go with yes, this is my WhatsApp number. Enter your email ID. Once you are done with it, click on continue. In the next tab, fill in your address information and click on continue. Finally, enter your date of birth, gender, your marital status, your blood group, and if you are willing to donate blood. And when you click on submit, all these information will be saved in your profile. Once it is done, all that you have to do is update your photo. This is your page to update your profile information. This can also be accessed from the right side bar and choosing my profile. Over here, you can update all your information anytime you want. Let me quickly update my profile picture. After choosing the image, it can be cropped based on the size as mentioned in this portal. Ensure that your image is a formal one, a professional image, and it sits right inside this square. Click on upload and your image will be automatically updated in your profile. Please do note, this is the same image which will be used across all the JCI India's website, mobile application and other portals in the future. So kindly ensure to upload your best photo. This profile update page has numerous tabs. In the second tab, you can update your mobile number, email ID and your WhatsApp number anytime you want. You can change your password to the members portal using the third tab anytime you want. If you have changed your address, you can use the fourth tab and update your address information to JCI India NHQ. The fifth tab, that is the JCI Career tab, shows your career in JCI. If you are a foundation contributor, that is if you have contributed for HGF, JFM or JFP, those information will be listed in the next tab. Kindly know you cannot edit JCI Career, Foundation Contribution or the next tab, which is the subscription details. This tab shows the membership subscription that has been paid for you by your logged president. Next comes the professional details. Over here you can update your occupation or profession in this tab. I'm going to go ahead and do it quickly. Yep, I've done it. I've updated my business information, the address, contact information, email, website and my company logo. Once I have done that, all I have to do is click on save, which will save my business profession in my members portal. If you have more than one profession or business, you can continue to do so by clicking on add button. The next tab shows your blood donation information. This is purely for a future purpose, but I'm going to go ahead and show you how it works. I donated blood very recently, so I'm going to say that the date when I donated the blood and where I donated it. I'll save this information. So whenever you donate blood, kindly ensure to add that information over here. Next tab contains your family details. Over here, when you click on add, you can add your family members information right here. It's completely optional. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my data. Likewise, you can continue to add multiple data using the add button. The next tab contains the education details. Once again, click on add button and enter your education information. Once you have completed, click on save. Similarly, you can continue to add multiple data using the add button. The next data asks your information about your social media links. These are once again completely optional. If you have any of these data, you can enter those information over here and click on save. The next comes the document proof. Over here, you can upload your Aadhaar, front side, back side, and your passport information over here. Say if you're going to enter or upload your Aadhaar card, click Aadhaar front side, enter your Aadhaar card number in the next box and upload the file using the choose file icon. Uploading age proof is mandatory for all the elective officers. So all the incoming LOM officers, zone officers and national officers, kindly ensure to upload your age proof using this tab. And the last tab is privacy policy. But let us see the privacy policy in a different video. Once you have completed all this information, you're done with updating your profile. All this process is in one-time work, so dear members, kindly ensure to update your profile right after your first login. Thank you. Meet you in the next video about the privacy policy details. Bye.